last year the city was in a $1 billion budget deficit. And 1/3 of it was because of legal claims and
Mhm.
mismanagement of those claims. It's always hard to budget for liability because
Yeah.
you never know. But in the past city attorneys, if they exceeded the budget, they would exceed
Mhm.
it by like $10 million, which I know sounds like a lot, but
Yeah.
in a city budget, it's not like 10 million, 30 million. In her first year, she exceeded it by 100 million. And then in her second year, 200 million.
Mhm.
And then last year, over 250 million. And the problem is that mismanagement of liability, because she keeps outsourcing things to big law firms that are,
Mhm.
charging the city thousands of dollars an hour. She's not properly managing risk. Um, all of that then meant that 1,600 jobs were threatened at the city. And when we think about that, that's jobs for people who are repairing our streets and our sidewalks, and then things take longer. And the
Mhm.
ironic thing is if you cut those jobs and then it takes longer to repair our sidewalks and our streets, there are going to be more people who
Yeah.
fall and then sue the city. And so the best thing to do is cut the costs that she is wasting on frivolous lawsuits, on big law firms, so that the city budget is not in a deficit. And then we can invest in the services we actually need to prevent
Yeah.
lawsuits. So that
Mhm.
is how we need to get back on track.
And I'm sure that that's a very important topic to a lot of people
Yeah.
is our taxpaying money. Like we want to know where our money's being spent and how it's being spent. So
And people want to see
yeah.
the city work.
Yeah.
They
Yeah.
don't want to hear that like we're lining the pockets of big law lawyers.
Right. We want our potholes fixed and our streetlights to work and,
Yeah.
those things, right?